Good morning, good morning, good morning. This is your AI acronym individual giving you a verse a day from Ezekiel chapter 36, verse 6 to 12. So here it goes. So prophecy about Israel, tell the mountains and hills and the ravines and valleys. This is what the Almighty Lord says. I am speaking in my anger and fury because you have been insulted by the nations. So this is what the Almighty Lord says. I raised my hand and swore that the nations which around you will be insulted. But you, mountains of Israel, will grow branches and bear fruit for my people Israel. My people will come home soon. I am for you. I will turn to you, and you will be plowed and planted. I will be I will increase the number of people who live in you. All the people of Israel, all of them, will live on you. And the cities will be inhabited, and the ruins will be rebuilt. I will increase the number of people and animals that live with you, that live on you. They will grow and become many. I will let people live on you as in the past, and I will make you better off than ever before. Then you will know that I am the Lord. I will bring people, my people Israel, to you. They will take possession of you, and you will be their inheritance. You will no longer take their children away from them. Our topic is about depression. It's easy to get discouraged when you find yourself the target of another person's verbal attack. It may be an attack from a teacher at school, a parent, a sibling, or even someone you once considered a friend. For years, Israel suffered from their enemies' assault style gossip. In the process, their reputation was ruined, and the people became thoroughly dismayed. Look at Ezekiel chapter 36, verse 6 to 12, to discover how God restored Israel. Allow God to take up your cause like He did to Israel. Okay? So, lahat po tayo nakakaranas ng depression. When we experience depression, when somebody insulted us, when somebody ruined our life, when some gossipers really making gossip and trying to ruin our life, just lean on to God understanding. Supplicate everything to our Lord Jesus Christ, and He will give us the right decision to think and how to overcome depression. To God be the glory. This is your AI acronym individual saying magandang buhay, mabuting tao. God bless us all. To God be the glory.